When it comes to choosing the right tires for your vehicle, there's always been a big debate: tubeless tires or tube tires. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of each type, so you can decide which one suits your needs better. Let's start with the basics. A tube tire has an inner tube inside the tire that holds the air. It sits between the tire and the rim. On the other hand, a tubeless tire doesn't need an inner tube. Instead, the air is directly sealed between the tire and the rim, thanks to its airtight design. Now, what makes tubeless tires stand out? Better puncture resistance. When a tubeless tire gets punctured, it loses air more slowly, allowing you to ride longer without an immediate repair. Self-sealing. Many tubeless tires work with sealants that automatically fill small punctures. Lower pressure. Tubeless tires can run at lower air pressures, which means better grip and comfort, especially for off-road enthusiasts. Fuel efficiency. The lack of a tube reduces weight, which can improve mileage and reduce rolling resistance. Tube tires, however, are still popular for many reasons. Lower cost. Tube tires are cheaper to manufacture and repair. Easier to fix. You can simply replace the inner tube in case of damage, without needing special tools or expertise. Versatile for older vehicles. Many older rims are designed specifically for tube tires, making them a better fit. Drawbacks of tubeless tires. First up, cost. Tubeless tires are generally more expensive, and they require specialized rims that add to the overall price. Next, there's the need for specialized tools. While small punctures can be plugged, you'll need a repair kit and sometimes an air compressor, which might not always be handy during emergencies. Another factor is compatibility. Tubeless tires aren't suited for all rims, especially traditional spoked wheels, which makes them a challenge for off-road riders. Lastly, in cases of severe damage, tubeless tires can be difficult to repair. Tears or large punctures often mean replacing the entire tire, which can be both costly and inconvenient. Drawbacks of tube tires. First, prone to pinch flats. On rough terrain, the inner tube can get pinched between the tire and the rim, causing sudden deflation. Second, tube tires lose air much faster when punctured, often leaving you stranded with little time to react. Next is the heavier design. The additional weight of the tube slightly affects fuel efficiency and performance, especially at higher speeds. Finally, time-consuming repairs. Fixing a tube tire involves removing the tire, patching or replacing the inner tube, and reassembling everything, a far more labor-intensive process than fixing a tubeless tire. Both tubeless and tube tires have their own advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these can help you decide which is best for your needs. Whether it's cost, compatibility, or repair convenience, the choice ultimately depends on your riding style and preferences.